How to fix Roblox mic not working. This problem is caused by the Roblox player. There are two types of Roblox player, the store version and the Windows version. When you type Roblox in the search bar, the result with the gray Roblox logo is the store version. The blue logo is the Windows version. I installed both to demonstrate. The store version's microphone will not work. To fix this, right-click the gray Roblox entry and choose Uninstall. Open your browser and search for Roblox download. Go to Roblox's official website. Make sure the download button shows a Windows logo, not the Microsoft Store icon next to the Roblox download button. Run the downloaded setup file. Wait for the installation to finish, then sign in to your account. Now check whether the Roblox mic not working problem is resolved.